Hello! Hi guys, and welcome to my follow-up on my Neewer flash. So, I did an unboxing of this flash and it was amazing. And the reason it was amazing is I got this for just under £35 or under $35, and it's solid built and it feels like it can actually do the job. But having said all that, the problem I have is that this flash is actually very underpowered for normal jobs. So I took it to a friend's wedding, and my friend was on stage with her husband, and she was probably about 2 to 3 meters away from me, and I was taking pictures, and the light didn't actually seem to throw itself a lot, and I was quite disappointed in that. And a couple of times it seemed like if it was misfiring. I don't know if it was misfiring, but what I found out was when I switch it on, once the light there, the mode button becomes blue, then the actual unit is actually able to take a flashable picture. And yeah, it worked pretty well for me, I'll be honest with you. Close up, and those are the pictures you're going to see now. Unfortunately, I'm not going to show you any of my friend's pictures, my friend's wedding's pictures, because obviously she doesn't want everybody in the world to know or see them. But yeah, I was kind of disappointed in that. But product photography, this would be amazing for £32 or £4 or whatever I got this for. I can't remember now. It's actually really good. So what I did was I took photos like this, and then completely bounced like this, and it did a pretty decent job. I started off with an aperture of f/22, and I went down to f/5.6, and then I went down to f/1.8, and that's because I'm using the Canon EF 50mm 1.8 lens, and it's actually done a pretty good job. I think one of the pictures came out just the way I wanted it, and yeah, it's actually pretty good for what you get. But for like professional shoots or professional wedding shoots or anything like that, don't even bother. You're better off just getting a Canon branded one. The Canon branded ones are very expensive, so maybe look for like a used one maybe, but even the used one would probably do you more good than this when it comes to a professional shoot. But having said that, for just under 35 quid, that's not too bad at all. So, you know, have it in your arsenal. Don't take it everywhere with you. And before I start showing you these pictures, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.